Welcome to RIISMA. Here on RIISMA, we deal every day with the uncertainty principle. You never know what you're going to get. You never know what message is going to come, or something online, something on the internet. For example, one of my favorite projects has been the gamification of massively open online courses for using printmaking as the core. An example is this press designed by Martin Schneider in Germany. And my idea is to make the parts of this press parts of a game, so that the making of the press and the use of the press, the plate and the print, are part of a game. One example of what we do on RIISMA.